Good morning, everyone. This is Paul Weimer with The Last Wealth, and I want to talk to you this morning a little bit about the Restorations collection, the waterproof laminate. And as you see on the back of this board, I'm using the anthology board this morning to show you on the back of every board you have something very similar to this, and you can see it's got a nice room scene. It tells you the product size and the thickness, and all the restorations are 12 millimeter. Of course, it's floating. Excuse me, it's floating. How many square feet, where it can be used, how many square feet in a box, and then your warranty, and several different little room scenes, and then a little cheat sheet about how it is white oak, hickory, maple colors together to simulate some hardwood that we sell. Waterproof, spill shield plus, kid friendly, and indentation resistant, scratch resistant, made in USA, and all the particulars that you have there. And on this section over here, I have saturated a dollar bill. Some of you may want to use a $20 bill, and I've got water almost running to the edge there. I'm going to leave that sit there for a little while just to show you how waterproof it is, and the locking mechanism. So between the locking mechanism and the core, and how the core is made, keeps that moisture out. So you could literally spill water on your floor, and then it would evaporate before it damaged your floor. If you were to put this in a bathroom or full bath or a kitchen or something, you'd probably want to seal around underneath the shoe molding with some silicone or caulk, like you would any other floor covering, because you don't want the moisture to get underneath and create a mold situation. But one of the other things that I want to show you is the quarter test. And I'm going to do this on the dry area. And you can see I'm taking a quarter, and I'm scratching the cross grain, and you can probably hear some of the texture because of the scratch resist X that's on there. I don't know if you can see that, but it started to wear the quarter down. But you can see the floor has has absolutely no marks on it. So the scratch resistance is superior to almost anything.